Okay, next point is to appreciate. Right? A lot of things we take for granted. I mean, we are truly living like kings when compared to the majority of the world. And we take it for granted as if we have some sort of right for it. So this water, clean drinking water, right? SubhanAllah, I was actually taking it for granted. Now I think about it, it's not something that is available to everyone. So if I really think that, look, I don't have the right to it, I could be thirsty right now and not have clean drinking water. Or even have clean drinking water but do not have the health to be able to consume that water. So appreciate the little things. A fruit that you enjoy. Right? The children that you have, the shelter that we have, the comfortable air conditioning or heating that we have. If you appreciate it, if you don't take them for granted, you'll have a lot of appreciation for what Allah is giving you. You'll feel much better, and then the next reward will be that you will worship Allah more. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, La in shakartum la azidannakum. If you're thankful, I will surely increase you.